Udaipur,
Okay.
day 2.
And we have found a what
Food
is it?
court.
Food court.
Food court to eat. Where to eat in Udaipur?
Right.
It's called Sukhadia Circle. It's a huge food court where a lot of local people are eating. So it won't be, that much touristy and expensive. So you will get the street food, all sort of street food with great dessert options like rabdi faluda, kulfi,
Right.
Right.
Everything is here.
pav bhaji, Chinese. And then there is a boating here. There is a lake
Boating?
here. Yes, they do boating also here. And very close to it is a very famous garden also from here. So two main spots are here to hang out, and this food court, of course, you can show. So this shows that it's not a touristy place to eat at this food court, because even their menus, everything what is written here, it's not in English, it's Hindi completely. So let me tell you the menu: chole bhature, chole kulche, special. So guys, the pav bhaji has arrived and we are ready to attack. Attack.
I think this is spicy, isn't it?
No, it's they have just try it. And now you eat spicy in India, we know that. Spicy.
So to show you interesting thing about pizza, my pizza all covered with cheese. Cheesy pizza.
A few moments later.
As you can see, Raul is enjoying his food. He's enjoying completely. But YG was too much spicy for me, and pizza, the taste I didn't like it that much, guys.
The cheese. The taste of cheese she didn't like that much. But
Right. Raul, are you eating all the food?
yes, I am telling Zara this is Indianized version of pizza for local people. It is not Italian, it is Indian pizza. And she is saying, wow, he brought it with so much of confidence. Udaipur is famous for its lakes, city of lakes. So today we are exploring our first real lake. The one which was next to our hostel was a small one, but this is huge, surrounded by the hills. Yes, its name is Sagar Fateh Lake. Let's go. Wow, guys, wow, what a
Wow,
beautiful
what a
sunset. I think there is no sunset because of the clouds,
Right,
but
right.
amazing view, the panoramic view.
Wow, as you can see, it's so much beautiful lake. Beside there is a temple. You can rent bicycle, and during day you can come and get a boat to go to the solar observatory, and you can enjoy your day. Guys, I have found. I have found fresh peanuts. Can you see? Mud is on it. They're delicious. And
Kachi Mungfali,
kachi
Mungfali, groundnut.
And there is also aquarium behind us. We asked local that really there is a crocodile there. They said no, they are not. There is no crocodile there.
So we dropped the plan to go. You guys can come. So guys, look what Zara has found. ईरानियन तुलसी, यस तुलसी वहाँ पे भी होती है, बेसिल, बट जो हमारी वाली तुलसी होती है छत पे उसको रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं कर पाती है। ये बोलती है ये कैसी बेसिल है। अब उसको ये वाली बेसिल उदयपुर में मिली है एंड शी इज़ लिटरली कलेक्टिंग इट, पिकिंग द लीव्स कि हम इसको सुबह ब्रेकफास्ट में खाएंगे एज अ सैलड काइंड ऑफ थिंग। सो लेट मी शो यू। बट येस इट लुक्स लाइक आवर होली बेसिल बट द लीव्स आर बिट डिफरेंट।
These are our vessels.
Leaves are bit different. Do you see?
Even this seed, if they get dry, the time that they get dry, we add to the drinks. In summers, it reduce the thirstiness.
Right. Wow. So it means it's like refreshing.
Yes.
Mhm.
It's so much good. I don't.
And then suddenly we realize that in the evening we don't, touch plants. We don't pluck leaves. So we drop the plant. Just few of them. Sorry. It is again tulsi, but a different variety which is not commonly used at home. But in Iran, you are saying you used it for salad, edible.
Yeah.
Good. So guys, right at the entrance of Gangor Ghat, आप देखोगे सामने अशोका आर्ट्स के सामने एक क्यूट लिटिल ईटरी है, एक सेटअप है जहाँ पे आपको बहुत ज़्यादा टेस्टी पराठे मिलेंगे। एंड द बेस्ट थिंग इज़ दी पीपल, ma'am and sir who are taking care of this place. It's a very homely environment here. मेरे साथ ऐसा कभी पहले नहीं हुआ कि किसी ने पराठे का बैटर जो है वो टेस्ट कराया ज़ारा को पहले, जस्ट बिकॉज इसलिए कि हमने बोला था कि स्पाइसेस नहीं ऐड करने हैं, और सर ने हमें रिकॉग्नाइज कर लिया कि हम पहले भी यहाँ पे आए थे। और बिहेवियर वाइज मतलब एक होता है ना कि एक तो टेस्ट और दूसरा आपको घर जैसा लगता है, आपको घर जैसी फीलिंग आती है। मैम सर्व कर रही हैं और उन्होंने एक और जो कस्टमर थे यहाँ पे उनके बच्चे के बारे में कंसर्न से पूछा कि खाया बच्चे ने, नहीं खाया। ये चीज़ें छोटी छोटी होती हैं मगर कमर्शियल जगहों पे देखने के लिए नहीं मिलती हैं। सो प्लीज़ डू विजिट हियर, दे आर ग्रेट पीपल, यू आर श्योरली गोइंग टू एंजॉय। और लकीली हम फर्स्ट डे व्हेन वी अराइव्ड हियर ऑन डे 1 we came to this shop for tea and all, and after that they recognized us. And one more thing, they had some for example श्राद्ध, कुछ श्राद्ध की कुछ पूजा वगैरह थी, वो पूजा छोड़ के, because we are the second time we are visiting them, वो छोड़ के यहाँ पे हमारे लिए आए हैं। So do visit them. सर आपने नाम भी है नागर रेस्टोरेंट, NAGAR नागर रेस्टोरेंट।
आप गूगल पे भी देख सकते हैं।
राइट। So definitely we will write a Google review also for them. And अगर घर जैसी feeling चाहिए तो ज़रूर आइए। Sir is saying that your wife looks like Sri Devi and now he is showing.
They want to die?
Yes. Now she is no more. She is no more. Yes. Wow. Interesting. Great. So you are Sri Devi. I didn't know.
Like this.
Yes. Excellent.
No, this one is a lie.
Wow. No. Sri Devi has died.
That's right.
Died.
Very famous.
So you got the tickets?
Yes. So the ticket will cost you 174 rupees, and for scooty 74 rupees, something like that. But if you are taking your car there, the ticket for the car is 338 rupees other than your ticket.
Wow.
So 2 adults, 1 scooty, we have got 420 rupees. Good.
Good. हाँ बढ़िया।
इससे दाल
चले।
है। चलो।
So guys, we have reached.
We have reached the Monsoon Palace, also known as Sajjangarh Fort in Udaipur. Wow. So here is the first look of that.
Wow.
Here we go.
Wow.
Interesting. Princely property and princess property or something like that. and Taj has taken it on lease to run its 5-star hotel. This is Zara's first experience to see Indian langurs, the black-faced monkeys with long tail. I told Zara that they even slap.
Ah.
Yes, very hard. And Daddy Ji will tell you some story, his encounter with langur in the jungles when he was young. Yes, yes, and he was on a motorbike kind of thing, very thin speed motorbike called Luna moped.
But that means why have you slapped my daddy ji?
Not slapped. He will tell you the story. Okay, langur.
It is eating. Tony, इधर देखो.
Babe,
इधर देखो.
babe, do anything in life, but never mess with a langur.
हाँ.
It will slap.
I will slap you.
I think the view is getting more attractive from here.
And how they are connected? Wow.
Wow, that's Udaipur. The beauty of Udaipur.
They can start from here.
And wow, I didn't know the whole city is just surrounded by
Hills.
hills.
Huh.
Fantastic. And wait, now I see maybe that road is the walking Fateh Sagar. This is Fateh Sagar Lake, babe.
I told you that this is the
Observatory. Fateh Sagar. And there people walk actually.
Right, right.
बाजूला. Karakal, in Hindi Karakal, Farsi Karakal. It's all lush green scenario here because we are visiting this monsoon palace in the monsoon season, actually in September. Otherwise this grass would be dry and brown in color. Now it's lush green. Probably that's the reason they call it monsoon palace.